Ells ho tenen tancat. Ai, estarà okay, now. Okay, the Spanish question, students will ask you some questions, okay? And there you will ask them, okay? Perquè no se'ls veu, sí. No. La persona portaveu? Spokesperson? Okay, person number one. Really loud, really loud. Good, come here, yeah. Here's Marina. Hello. Which is your school schedule? Your schedule, your timetable? Schedule, timetable.
We start from 8 a.m. to 2:30 at most.
Okay, okay.
And we have extra.
Okay, thank you. Next question.
How many students are usually in a class?
In your primary school or secondary?
30 to 35.
Can you repeat, please?
30 to 35.
30 to 35. But in your primary school or your secondary
Yes.
school? Okay.
Both of
In
them.
secondary.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Right.
How many subjects do you have?
12.
12. And which ones?
Computer science, combined science, which can also be combined to make a subject for the lower secondary students. And we also got physical education, geography, accounts, commerce, math, FRS, heritage, English, Shona, and languages including Spanish, French, Debele, and Zulu.
Okay, thank you.
Are you all from the same age?
No,
No? Can you explain a little bit your age?
for like Form 1 and 4 year, I think it's the 8th grade. There's about students from the ages 13 to 16.
Okay.
Which transport do you use to go to school?
That depends from where you stay. If you stay far, you use the bus, or if you're local, you just go by foot or a parent takes you to school.
Okay.
Do you have a different teacher for each subject?
Yes, in the secondary department, we do.
Okay.
What are your classes like?
Can you explain a little bit?
Like your building, how is your building? Your school building?
It's just like blocks, and it also depends to the school.
How long do you take to go to school?
It actually depends with where you live. So if you live very far, that means you might take an hour or two or more. But then if you live close, yeah, it might take about 30 minutes.
Mitja hora o més. Vale.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Depends on the subject, and yeah,
How many boys and girls are there in your class?
it's about mostly like the boys are usually fewer than the girls, so it's maybe a ratio of 1:3.
Do you feel that girls are treated differently than boys?
Yeah, a little bit.
Do you have computers in school?
Yes, we do. And like the government is also providing more of them, so yeah, we're getting it.
And do you have people with difficulties in your class?
We actually have special classes for people like that. And or if we don't, the teacher concentrates more on them.
And how many hours do you study?
It's about
30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes per period.
And how far is the school from your house?
It's about less than 3 kilometers.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I make a question?
Okay.
Can I make a question?
Yeah. The teacher wants to make one question. The English teacher. She's Karma. Karma.
I'm a bit curious. I'd like to know what is the main language in your school? Do you learn all the subjects in English or in other languages?
Yes, since it's the official language here in Zimbabwe.
Can you repeat, please?
We learn in English. It's the official language in Zimbabwe.
Okay. Now you will ask your questions, okay, to the Spanish students, okay? But wait a minute, please. ¿Quién es la persona que contesta? Hi. You can ask your questions, okay? So the first one.
Are your school teachers strict, and if there are any punishment, how do the teachers like punish you?
They are not strict, but we have something called detention. That is like when you do something bad, you go to detention.
Okay.
Okay. Next question, please.
In your school, from other countries.
I don't think so. Not in this school. People are respectful. Also, we are students on a scholarship and by the Catalan Sports Council.
Si es racismo en la escuela.
No,
Okay, next question, please. Number 3.
Are there any extracurricular centers that provide music?
yes. In other schools, yes.
Però refereixo si hi ha classes escolars, o sigui, hi ha escoles de música. Yes, there are some
Other schools.
La segona
In
pregunta.
those extracurricular centers that provide music, what kind of music is usually taught?
They teach both classical and modern music.
Okay.
Is there also discrimination in terms of religion?
No.
And the other one, 4B.
For example, in most schools, religion classes, do you have any of those?
Sí.
Yes, we have religion classes, but only some people choose to do this class.
Hi. Okay. Next question, that is number 5.
How are the school system in schools, the pass rates? Is it high or low?
It depends. It's just medium. We need a 5 out of 10 to pass. Okay.
Next
What is your school? What is your school daily schedule from Monday to Friday? Like the hours of contact learning with the teachers.
We do from 8 to 11, and then to 3 p.m., from 3 p.m. to 4:45 p.m., and then we have 3 to 5 hours of sports.
Okay.
Do you have any culture exchange program?
In this school, we don't have it, but because we need time for training and competitions, but in other schools, yes.
We have institutions that we use with competition, and yeah, PC.
No, we don't.
No, they don't.
Any areas of the education system that you think needs to be done?
Maybe something like music, instruments like ukulele and guitar, and some lessons of sex education.
Okay. These ones are the questions that you wanted to ask, but I don't know if you want to ask more questions to the Spanish students. Maybe something that you want to know or something? No?
It's Rita's birthday. We're celebrating her birthday today. Rita, say hello,
Today is one student's birthday. Sí, sí. Today is her birthday. Vale, no els hi voleu fer cap pregunta, la resta? Explica-les que nuestra cultura és així, por favor.
I love you.
She's 16 today. 16, right? 16?
Vale, llavors, no els hi voleu fer cap pregunta, segur, que llavors marxaran, Do you practice any sport? Some of you?
Yes.
Yes? Which
Yes.
one?
Yes. Basketball.
Hockey, volleyball, handball, rugby, chess,
Ajedrez. Basketball, chess, and any others, or only basketball and chess?
Rugby, hockey, soccer, yeah, and cricket.
Cricket. Okay. Vale. Poden dir ells quins esports practiquen? Sí. The Spanish students want to tell you their sports, okay?
Nur?
The sports they practice.
Mira, no digues tu coses especials. No, ella.
Hello.
Ah.
In my case, I practice triathlon. There are also some of the students that practice water polo, golf, table tennis. Yes, and also they swim. Badminton. Yeah, and that's it.
And that's all.
They also do gymnastics.
Diving.
Gimnàstic?
Ja està. Vale. Els voleu fer alguna altra pregunta? Students want to know if you have computer in your house, not in the school, in your house. Yes? A laptop or a computer?
Yeah, both.
Both.
But some people not like, some people don't have it. Like,
Okay.
I think here in Zimbabwe, we should put more time in physical education. Like, we hardly do that. We like do it, like writing notes and stuff and being given exercise, but we hardly go to the ground.
Bueno, mantenga, espera. Colin. Colin,
Yes.
can you come please to the camera, please?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Can you repeat what she said because we couldn't understand it, please?
Okay. Okay. So she was saying that most of the time when they are at school, they spend most of the time writing notes, writing exercises, rather than going to the grounds to do sporting activities and physical education activities. So this is their wish that maybe here in Zimbabwe they could spend more time doing the physical activities rather than staying in the class. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Colin. They want to know if you use social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, all of them? Yes? Okay, that's all. Thanks for being here. And we will see, well, I will see you in other video calls, okay? But thanks for being here. I don't know if you want to say something to the Spanish students or not.
Like,
So can you organize a trip?
yes. And like, to put out an hour, like their content or something different.
Okay. So the children they have this wish that for example, to have this continuous conversation with the children, with their colleagues, kind of networking, to know each other, though virtually. Yeah, and also they wish that one day, maybe after COVID, they want to come there and have this cultural exchange program, contact physical thing.
That they want to come here after COVID.
Yeah.
Make an exchange program. Okay. Okay, we can talk about it because I think that they will also want. But we can talk about it after COVID and all that stuff. Because they want. Okay. Wait, please, Colin. Espera, feu silenci, sisplau.
And also, they were asking, do those Spanish children wish to visit Zimbabwe, or they don't want?
Que, bueno, se usaría visita Zimbabue. Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's all. Espera, silenci, sisplau. Okay. No, que ho han dit ells, que volien venir. Sí, sí. Okay, Colin, so that's all. Thank you for all, and well, I will see you in other video calls, okay? But thanks for all. Bueno, voleu dir adéu. Bye. Bye.